You coming here is historic. Our common objective is to take a leap of faith to overcome the distrust that has haunted our relationship. We've come to an understanding that a shared vision regarding cooperation is not only essential for relations between Pakistan and Afghanistan, but a harbinger of regional cooperation, connectivity. Pledge determination in helping the Afghan people end the conflict, promote national reconciliation, lasting peace, stability, and respect for human rights, as well as ensure that Afghanistan is never again used as a base and launching ground for terrorism.